Novotegra roof hook consists out of two parts, bottom plate and the roof hook itself. First of all, we're supposed to assemble the hook. So I'm selecting one of two holes, the left one. We have also the right one. Right one could be usable on the edge of the building, but for the most cases we are just simply using the left one. On the roof hook itself there is such a kind of the marker, and it's actually indicate you how deep the roof hook is supposed to be fastened into the bottom plate. So I just basically do these 3-4 rounds. Right now the hook is assembled properly, so let's just place it on the right position and let's indicate the cutting channels for the further cutting of the tiles. So basically here we have the rafter under this wooden button, and I would place it somewhere there. These tiles, they have basically two these down waves, and I would place the roof hook directly into this position. Obviously we have such a kind of a nose here on this tile, and this is necessary to cut this off completely. So I am just indicating here cut it channel, but we have to also do it on this upper layer of the tile. So somewhere here is going to be our cutted channel.